Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a little extra video for you this week. This is an unboxing, but not just any unboxing. This is a huge Washi Tape Shop unboxing, including, oh my goodness me, some of their most recent launches and a brand new launch. Everything is going to be linked below. My voiceover is ahead of my hands, but everything is linked below for your discount code at the Washi Tape Shop if you fancy getting your hands on any of these. First up, we have Year of the Tiger. I could have done with these back in January when I did my Chinese New Year resin. Stunning, absolutely beautiful set of washi tapes. Next up, Green Oasis. This is the one I specifically asked them for because I love anything botanical. These are beautiful. This is a 3-pack, guys. I didn't even know that when I asked for it. I was just expecting these ones with the little pots and the ferns, and they are individual little stickers. How handy is that? You can literally peel off individual stickers. Next up is this. This is all part of that same set. So beautiful. And again, these are all individual peel off stickers. I love them, but this one, stop it. How beautiful is this? Everything on this washi tape has a gold embossing overlay. Beautiful. Cannot get enough. I love. Next up, Fantasy Forest. This is the PET tape. So this is the clear poly tape that you would have seen me use in my videos, and you need your craft blade to go around each design individually and cut them out. I've never seen anything like this. This is adorable. This screams autumn to me. I absolutely love them. And this windmill, the detail, so cute. Really love it. Next up, we have Radiance PET. So again, the clear poly tape that you have to cut out individual images. So cute. Again, I've not seen this before. I don't really come from the land of the washi tape community. Very new to me this year. So, oh my gosh, adorable. These images are stunning. Like hand painted, small, minute illustrations. Next up, we have the Frosty Rose. I think I've already got this. I do need to check my stash, but I think they sent me this last time. Not 100% sure on that. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous hues of blue and rose together. Next up, we are back to the washi tape. We have a 3 set of the irises. These are stunning. This one here with the gold embossed mountains and buildings, and this one here is definitely like a Monet, like so beautiful. Then we have Lovely Garden. I definitely have this one already. It's definitely something I've used before on my channel. I am actually probably going to put this to one side, you know, because my 100k giveaway is coming up and I want to start kind of putting a collection of things together that I can give away. Next up, Dusty Blue and Florentine. The Dusty Blue is stunning, very autumnal, very cream and blue, different hues, just clusters of flowers. But the Florentine is stunning. If this does not scream wedding season or wedding journaling or wedding gift cards or just a resin gift for a wedding, I don't know what does. Even the bird, it's got like a pheasant. I think that's a pheasant, like sitting in amongst roses. Absolutely beautiful. But guys, this is the one. This got me so excited. My camera didn't even want to focus. Caffeine canvas, guys, coffee. All about coffee. When I tell you, look at this. Look at this. If you guys know I am a tea drinker, I have really gotten into coffee more lately, but look at this. I have a lot of coffee drinking friends here on YouTube, and I know you're gonna love this. Again, this is the PET tape, the poly tape, the clear transparent tape that you have to cut around. Look at these little miniature drinks and coffee cups and coffee grinders and little quotes. Coffee is my love language. An actual coffee shop, like so many beautiful illustrations of coffee shops and grinders, the old wooden coffee grinders. just stunning. Stunning. I could stare at this one for hours, and there's so much on the roll. So here they all are. If you like what you see in this video, please do check it out. Everything is going to be linked, like I said, including the brand new launch of the coffee one. Everything is going to be linked down below in my description box alongside your discount code. I'm obsessed. I hope you are obsessed too, because that coffee one. Question is, what do I do with it? Bye.